Place a guideline in the center of your photo. Select the horizontal type tool and type your text. Select dynamic text to align your text. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. Move and resize your text. Unlock the background layer. Select the rectangular marquee tool. Select the part of the photo that's behind your text. Press Ctrl+Shift+J to cut out the selected area in a new layer. Place this new layer above the text layer. Right-click on this layer and create a clipping mask. Create a solid color layer. And pick a background color. Place the color fill layer below all the other layers. And that's how you create this text portrait.